Hey there, it's Jenny, and I am here today to plan as I go. I'm just going to flip through the little bit. That is a dashboard I made with alcohol ink. If you'd be interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to do one on here, though I am, just like most other things, not an expert. I just do what's really fun. I have been having so much fun this year in this particular planner. I'm not sure what it has been, but I've just been having a great time. These are some stickers I bought from Sticker Guru on $2 Tuesday. I just thought that they were really pretty and I wanted to try out a different style. And so I bought like 3 different sets of art in all the same sticker sheets. And so we're going to be trying those out today. It's definitely super different for me, so let's see how it goes. I'm using these Carpe Diem date stickers because they are really just perfect and they match really well. I'm going to do my visual triangle and create the 3 anchor points for that triangle. And today I'm using these, I don't really know what to call them. I guess I'm just going to go ahead and call them box stickers for the sake of that, but they're not really. So I bought 2 sheets of those in order to do just this, to create decorative elements, and then also to use them for function as well, to put activities in there at the same time. So I've gone ahead and added a couple of extra flowers to some of these. Again, right now, it's a little sketch. Like, I'm not sure that it looks great. However, I'm going to hold out hope that at the end, when I'm finished, it looks good. And it usually does, so it should be fine. All right, so now they also have a sheet that has these sort of floral edgers, sort of, or borders, if you will. And I have seen them use them to make sort of pseudo boxes like I'm doing right here. So I thought that seemed really super fun. And spoiler alert, it is really fun and I actually super love it and can see myself doing this a ton. So I definitely look forward to trying more stickers like these, maybe others. I don't know if people make them other than florals. I've never looked for them before. So I look forward to kind of seeing if I can find some like that because I really love them. All right, so we're just using them like boxes. I'm putting the tops and the bottoms, anticipating how much I think I will need to write in between. So, I mean, come on, the sky is the limit now. Like, I can write all kinds of things. Like, if I have like 15 lines of stuff I need to say, I can make it exactly how I need to make it. That's amazing. So I'm also using, like I said, the full boxes, and I'm going to just disperse these throughout the week for my different activities. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how this all plays out because, like I said, this is so different. And at first glance, I'm like, I'm not sure about this. Though I'm not going to lie, as more stickers come through, I'm like, yeah, I can start to see this come together. My vision wasn't completely bad, but I love it. I've told you guys this in the past. I really do love to try new things and evolve in this hobby. I've been doing this decorative planning since 2015, so it's amazing to just see how things have changed since then. So I'm just filling out the very end of Sunday and just going through each day and like what plans we have, what activities, what appointments we have, and putting boxes in for those. Now, I got a little late start this week, so I did not doing this on Monday. I'm doing it on Tuesday and then going to fill in Monday and Tuesday at the same time. I normally don't do that. And normally I get started on Monday and then just fill it in as I go, but just as luck would have it, that didn't happen this week. So, it's a thing. Just how things go sometimes, am I right? All right, so I am using the Sharpie pen like I usually do, and the Aloha Star markers and the Zig Clean Color dot markers. I'll link all these things up below, and they're perfect. They look wonderful. And then I'm using the same Pilot Ultrafine Permanent marker, so it's basically like a Sharpie Ultrafine, but it's been in my stash for about 1,000 years, so going ahead and using it. The sticker paper is beautiful. I've never seen something like this before, but I really do like it. I had used Sticker Guru stickers once when they first opened. They sent me some things to try out. This was probably like 2017 or something, and I liked them, and I just never ordered anything going forward. I saw these $2 Tuesday and thought I would take a chance, and I'm so glad I did. So now I'm going to fill in Tuesday, and I love how this is the The marker is working too, like the highlighter, and I love that I don't feel like I need to lean on it so heavily because there's so many decorative elements. And I love the little added pop of color, but it's not like, oh my gosh, it has to be there, or I can't stand the way that this looks. Like some weeks I really, really, really want it to be, I don't know how to describe it. Like it has to be alternating. Everything has to be alternating. Otherwise, I don't really love how it looks. And with all of these florals, that's really helping out a lot with that. So I'm really quite pleased. The marker goes so well on this paper, on the sticker paper. I know I already said that, but it's just so buttery smooth and really lovely. Now, one thing I'm going to do differently is that you can see that there's going to be a lot of space left over on Wednesday. Like there weren't a lot of things going on. So, or I didn't have a lot of things to include. I'm sure there were tons of things going on, but I didn't have as much that I wanted to include in my planner. So I'm, instead of filling in the spots for decoration, I decided I'm going to wait and do it all together at the end of the week. Now, ordinarily I don't do that. I ordinarily do it as I go. However, this week I just wasn't sure what stickers I would have left and how I wanted to use them and what was the total of all the spaces I would have to fill. Since this is sort of a new way of doing things for me, I thought it would be smart to just wait and see. Now, I am going to go start on Friday, and I am looking forward to trying this out because there is a big, not big activity like, oh, so important, but a lot of space necessary on Friday. So I'm curious to see how this turns out. And that's just putting down those border stickers and leaving a large space in between. And now it's going to overlap that decorative element just a smidge, but I think because it's florals, it doesn't even really matter that it overlaps because I think it all sort of blends together so nicely that it makes no difference at all. Now, this is where I start to visualize how or not visualize, how I start to see that I really do like the way this has all come together. Again, I wasn't really sure at first because I was like, I don't know, these boxes empty look kind of weird and they don't really look great. And I just wasn't sure that I was trusting the vision I thought that I had seen when I ordered these stickers. So I'm glad to see that it did really work out. I'm also really happy to see that I did use the entire sheet of these little border stickers. Again, I just wasn't sure, like, oh, would I actually really use them? Would it kind of work out the way I thought it would? And look at that, it really did. Now, this on Saturday, I'm trying something a little bit different by simply highlighting where I'm going to write. Now, that's not revolutionary. I do that all the time, but I haven't done that on this page with those border stickers yet. I'm not sure a verdict is out if it's necessary or not, or if I'll try it again in the future. But for right now, I like being able to see that, and I like being able, or oh my gosh, having done that. My goodness. All right, so now just adding a little bit something up here at the top. It was a really quite full day, which are, am I right? Now you'll have to forgive me. The video on this, the sun was going in and out and peeking in and out in the clouds, and so it's hard to get the lighting correct. I film right underneath an open window, and while normally that serves me so wonderfully on days like this with big, huge, heavy rain clouds and the sun going in and out of them, it can be very difficult to get the lighting just right. So hopefully next time it will not be this difficult. All right, so now I'm just going to finish up with the decorating. I'm going to put stickers in those empty spaces, and that is it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.